Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to my channel. While I don't bust again for inside life, hey, my people, audio don't bust at. Hey, see love, see we all the day they play love with Yogi. Nothing wey we not go see for inside the social media. So, mommy, now mommy, I will call you, and I still they come for Frank. So, mommy. Una play all this love after all this plenty love for video call wherever. You can't see come out the saga the small boy. Hey, nothing when we not go see. Oh, this my hair. May you stay where me I for talk where. Cover this my pimples. Eh? Nothing when we not go see for inside social media, my people. Make una come listen to her mommy Princess Eriyo take dey cry for Frank Gbola, for umenwan Gbola. Jesus. After all this love we una play, wetin come still cause the problem? Wetin come cause am wey una come still fight come out? Franco, I go still ask you question because now so you and proud mom take play love. One of my friend come tell me say, hey, this my friend, she still dey social media. She come tell me say this their relationship. E no go reach 1 month o. Then I say abeg dey go. You they wish them bad. He said, make you they happy for them. He said, now lie, all this kind of love where they come play, so you go see as you go take end. Frank na egbe weja. Proud mom na egbe weja. You go see as it take end. Before 3 weeks, alarm broke, fights come. Frank, wetin dey happen? If woman tell you say he like you no like the woman, you no need to come play the woman audio. No matter wetin the women, they must be women. No matter, you know, say we women, our mouth no dey cover. No matter wetin the woman go talk, pra. Let her talk. Why all this audio? So we when come they call you now, you want more, we come they fear you. Go they fear to call you now, Frank. Is that what you are trying to prove to us? Say more with they fear you, or may we not get all this audio when they play. So my dear brother, you know good though. So many people when they trust you before, when they like to tell you so many things about themselves, they will not they fear you because you don't they play audio. Now you come out for this social media and say no more audio, but at the end of the day, you can't they play the audio. I mean, they forget. Say you don't come out to say no more audio. Now you they cry, you they play cry baby audio. Cry for love, my people. Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to my channel. Comment as Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another story. Welcome again. Hey, where our mommy they cry for Gbola. Mommy is crying for Gbola, oh my people. Please, my amazing people, if today now your first time when they come across this channel and you never subscribe to this channel, please do your sister a favor by dropping that your amazing subscribers on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video, you now receive our video. Bangala, God bless you all. Please, my people, I would like to play small audio give una. Make una listen to audio where mommy G.O. for the cry for Gbola. Oh, now listen.
I don't know. Well, please, you have to go loud. Why you do that is just embrace it. It is okay. Just calm down, have your time. Or calm down and we'll talk. Please, I know for now you are angry, it's okay.
I know why Princess Eriyo call Frank, because Frank come out, that was last month. He can't say Princess Eriyo, they accuse and say he take €100, which I post this video for this channel. I post the video for this channel. We can't watch them together. He can't say why Princess Eriyo go they accuse and say he take €100 from inside her Facebook. But wait, oh madam, how you even take the expect how Frank take enter your Facebook? How frank take enter your Facebook, take your €100 when your account 9 days inside the Facebook? Your email 9 days. Fine, e be admin for inside the Facebook. Admin no fit take your money now. Now your email dey there. If admin take your money, or how admin won't even take your money, which I don't know. Maybe I never get sense reach that side. If admin take your money, Facebook will still write give you so person, or we pay you so date for so account. How frank take your money? Now that one I no understand. You can't make €100 for man when you dey trick for, man when you dey kpai for, you dey beg say you love her, you dey cry for inside voice record, or you dey call her dey cry for her. You can't make €100 cause problem for you and this man. €100, wetin be €100? And how frank take get that money? How frank take collect the money from you? Now, wow, my people, this life no banner so. Yeah? Why be say na everywhere where this woman enter? Everywhere you enter Monica life. Monica, I'm so sorry. Say I call your name for you. You enter Monica life, quarrel burst, area scatter. After all the old bestie juju wanna carry up and down for inside this social media, area scatter. That one finish. You enter Rita life. See her now, see Rita. Wanna go see Rita. Everywhere scatter. Rita Yemiomo, you enter her life. Everywhere scatter. As you take go her house, as they take give you food, everything you talk on for social media. A mother not supposed to dey talk like this. As a mother, you not supposed to dey talk like this. Everywhere scatter, area scatterlize that time. You enter wetin they call that one when it be like another thing. I don't know wetin I wan call her. I know the verse for am o. Just that she with her husband not dey behave mature. IK wife. Dominion talk show. You enter that one life. Hey, everywhere you topoto. Everywhere scatterlize. Wetin mama? Wetin dey go on? Wetin dey go on? If una no know how to make friend, make una stay on una own. I know say no friendship when they not dey quarrel, but not be this kind una una they do for social media. One don't make small friends, more gather information about that person. Una don't gather information, gather audio. Una come out, come dey fight the person because una don't get audio about the person. You be they say you get audio, you don't know say Frank still smart, he still get audio. Hey, Frank still get audio. Now everybody that they eat. Now every friend wanna make for this social media, una go use that friend to eat. The friendship will end for saga. Una no know how to say I no want again. It go be I no want again. Una no know how to talk that kind of thing. I no want again. It go be I no want again. Why must you people fight on social media? Why must you fight on social media? Because una won't use person to eat. Because una don't gather information about somebody. Because una don't gather audio when you and that person they gossip, or when you and that person they talk, you they gather audio when you take fighter for front. If you not get bad intention for your friendship when you enter, you not go they record una gist one the gist. If you not get bad intention for your mind, say tomorrow I must saga this person, or tomorrow this person go fuck up, I go saga am, and at this audio I go use to saga this person. If you not get that thing for mind, you not go the record. Una come make us the fear to make friends. We will get things to our mind now when we need to, like, as a social media people, not be so that they do social media. We go get something for mind now when we need to tell una, but we no go fear, no go let us talk to una, because una be recorder, una be blackmailer, una dey blackmail people anyhow. Anybody when carry problem can't give una. Hey, say me you carry problem can't give Benin people when they call themselves social media saga influencer. Instead of you to take your problem to them, you better take your problem to the market. Cry your problem for that market so that they go know your problem. Instead, may you use and go meet all this our Edo cyberspace influencer saga influencer. Because tomorrow they go use you to make money. They will use you to do ilalobo. Hungry lion people. If madam no get bad intention, why you go dey record Frank? And Frank, you when still record madam. If you no get bad intention for your mind, why you dey record madam? So you can't tell us, say we now when be they call you, say you be recorder. Now wetin you dey try to prove to us now, say you be recorder o. Now wetin you dey tell us now, say you be recorder, make we not call you again. Make una listen to where madam for the cry for Frank Gola.
For this fight,
according to madam. Madam say may we use shade take cash enemy. But now you come the saga Frank. Frank only come out for you. Only one day, now Frank come out for you. I know they support Frank for this matter. When I don't hear recording, I not support umenwan for this matter. Umenwan get good heart, but this recording of a thing, e not mature, because you know say so many people they carry their problem can't give you. You dey solve problem for people. So if you can't solve problem for people, finish now. Tomorrow say the person can't offend you. You carry record the come out. Is that what you are trying to prove to us? Say now waiting you want can they do now? Madam say me. At the end of the day, now you come out can the saga Frank. How you can't take proof to Frank say let's use shame take cash enemy. I talk and say this social media, especially our Edo cyberspace, something dey grand on this social media when they cause problem for these people. Yeah, something dey grand. If something not dey grand, they know they museum as they museum so. Because every day, today bestie, tomorrow fight. Today bestie, tomorrow fight. And at the end of the day, they not see they use their HQ. They not see they use their sense. They see they make friends. One I know say things be like this. Today, on this social media, especially and our Edo cyberspace, una know say today na friendship bestie. Tomorrow na fight. Monica say supposed to give una example. Monica and Lolo 10 good years. Friendship when come dey 10 good years, they are like sisters. Not be friendship anymore. They feel break. Two of them feel break like this. Everybody go your own. We not see they use our sense. Reason Rita and Lolo. Rita and Lolo. Example, now they give una so. Rita and Lolo not give una sense. Say, this una Edo cyberspace. Juju dey when one of una put when they cause quarrel. Make una sit dey eat because if quarrel not dey, una no go, people no go watch una. If quarrel not dey. Abi na mommy love and prophetess Grace, aka prophetess disgrace, when mommy love disgrace for inside the social media. All the whole evil when the woman they do, when she with mommy love do together, everything come out boo. All the whole evil when prophetess Grace and mommy love do together, mommy love come expose everything. Make una know say this social media something dey grand on this social media. See enoge with a pa Eddie Murphy, Godfather and Godson. Something dey grand for those cyberspace. Make una dey use una friends. And evil. Anything wey make you and somebody dey talk, you press recording. That means you want to fight that person. That make you press recording. So more will try to dey get sense. Make we listen to our cry baby, my people.
Even if I'm not good, what about telling you? If you really cares about me.
My people, una hear, even if I'm not good, you no use your hand to repair your thing. Mama, were you expecting say Frank is going to marry you? Hey! Eke no kankan ma gwa lo. Eke ma gwa lo. Sene bois. Hey, my people, make we listen.
Like you said, the last instance you are talking about, if you really care and love me, and you know that this lapse is not good for me as a woman, you are supposed to stand and change it and have the purity as a woman. Or change your woman. Can't you see it?
Frank just keep quiet for there. Frank just the record mama. Frank just keep quiet. He just the record. He not talk. Make we listen.
Even if I was bad, and you change me to be good, it's also a priority to you. It's also a big one to you. So please, I beg you. I beg you, no matter what. I beg you, in the name of God, I beg you. I forgive me, please. I don't want to hurt you, and I don't want you to feel sad. Don't hurt me, please.
No hurt me, oh. No hurt me, oh. Hey!
Please, I beg you.
Chineke mo.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm on my knees. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry about it. Please. Forgive me.
But mama, no vessel. After you beg finish, after you beg all this begging finish, why you can't still go saga Frank? After all this many begging, why you can't still go saga Frank? You Frank come out, he come quarrel say you accuse me of taking your $100 for your social media. How I take your $100? I was there when Frank they made that live video. I did there live and direct where I for they watch the video. I did my parlor here, not get me wrong. I can't they watch that video. Now so Frank talk and reach. Even people come they say, Frank, thank you. We see say you want saga Princess Eriyo. You know saga Princess Eriyo. People come they like tell Frank say thank you when you not take saga. You can't go behind social media, no know say guy is recording you. Guy was recording you, which you no know. You can't go behind social media. You were begging Frank, please, even though I'm not good, why not repair me? Why you they do like this? Why you they do like that? Why this and this and that? Frank, can they record you, and you too, you were recording. You can still they record Frank. Both of you can they record each other. But after all this plenty begging, I love you. If I'm not good, repair me. I be your own. That one, eh? That was sweet me for inside though. Eh? Why you can't come mad after all this plenty begging? My people, Mona no verse say they laugh. The thing they make me they laugh. After all this plenty begging, why you can't still come mad? Can't go the saga Frank. For your mind say as Frank say not the record, and you can't believe and say Frank not the record. As all of una be for inside this social media, e not reach when una go call person go the record una. E reach because una not good.
Fight this fight. Please. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it this way.
Yeah? See how they play love.
I don't mean to hurt you. See you being hurt like this, it hurt me most. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about it. I'm sorry. I don't mean to hurt you, really. Believe me, I'm not that person. I don't mean to hurt you, please. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
See love.
Just forgive me.
Social media love. I always salute. Always salute. Always salute. See social media love.
I promise you, it won't happen again.
Wahala.
Even to any other person. I promise to be a good woman for you.
Madam, no vex, they laugh. See love. See Frank, they use una, they do your Abole.
Isagwe. Amabole guy. Ewe. Eye. Ona elikipa. Era no yekwewu. Apikonowo.
My people, make una see shame and disgrace for inside social media. This one a shame and disgrace to our mommy Princess Ivie. Now big shame and disgrace. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. This one a big shame. Frank na good person, but this kind character when our baba when they smile can't carry come out now, when can they record people when they call her? It dey very bad though. It dey very bad. What a shame and disgrace. Some people make we try, they hide our face for inside house. After una don't make all this year finish, una don't play love, una don't talk too many things, una still come out, consider year somebody name. Una just think say as you dey play that love that time, the person not get HQ. HQ not dey work. According to Worry Pikin, the person HQ not dey work. You not record una. Not knowing say the person they record una. After all this nonsense, you can't come and say you want saga the same person when you they cry for. I love you so much. I do this. I do that. Oh, what a shame. My people, make una no fail to drop una comment on this video. Wetin una think about this video? Wetin una think about Ivie Princess Ivie Eriyo and Frank Umenwan? Wetin una think about their love playing? Torture. See me see wahala for inside social media. Anyway, when you turn your face go for inside those cyberspace, na big problem. Without problem, they no fit come and talk. Anyway, make dem dey do am o. Make we, the upcoming bloggers and presenters, make we use them dey learn. You see, I don use this one now, still use am learn how to analyze. If dem no fight now, for no even learn how to still talk put for matter like this, even though I no talk put well. If dem no fight, I no sabi talk put like this. Yeah, I dey show una shame. God bless you all my people. Please no forget to like and share this video. As una see now, I dey cry for Ikia. I know say all women, una no get me wrong, all women dey cry for Ikia. No woman wey no dey cry for Ikia, but not be man wey you never date. Man wey you never date. Social media relationship, Facebook relationship, man wey you never see eye to eyes. And secondly, smally, you won't be odede. Hey, my people, I greet everybody. Oh, please don't forget to like and share this video. Make una no get me wrong going. Hey, I dey like correction. Anyway, when I not doing, I will drop am for comments. Okay, I'll know say okay, I'm not supposed to talk like this, I supposed to talk like this. I love correction. I don't like bully. I love correction. So our those cyberspace presenters, they don't like correction. They like insults. Make we use them learn. For me, I like correction. I be blogger. God bless you. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Follow this page if you have not done that. If you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my channel to support your guests. Support me. Support somebody's mom, somebody's sugar mommy, somebody's side chick. Support me. Ude zuzuzuzu. Bye bye. See you all on our next video. Cry baby.